शुक्लाम्बरधरं वर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्न उपशान्तये. ಎಸ್ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಅವರೇ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಂ
ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्टभागं सस्तनोभिः व्यसेम देवहितै यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताख्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम अग्नेनय सुपताराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देववयुनानि विद्वान् युजोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेन भो इष्टां ते नम भुक्तिं विदेम ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम आब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवर्चसी जायताम् आराष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूरैषभ्यो अतिव्याधि महारथो जायताम् ध्वग्धीं धेनुर्वोढा नड्वान् आसुसप्तिः पुरन्धिकोषाजिष्णारतेष्ठः सभेयो युवस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम् निकामे निकामेन पर्जन्यो न वर्षतु फलवत्यो न भोषधयः पच्यन्तां योगक्षेमो न कल्पेताम् ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणचक्षुः स्तोत्रमतो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वो ब्रह्मोपनिषदम् माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मामा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणम् अस्तु निराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनिरतेः उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति शांति शांतिः हरि ओम नमस्ते
ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ ಹರಿ ಓಂ. ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ ಹರಿ ಓಂ. Today we have got to go with the Taittiriya Samhita, Agnishtoma formulas, and so we are in the section first Kanda, fourth Prapataka, 44th mantra, where we have seen that we have made a prayer. We say the prayer 1 4 45 3. Alinda now madabeku. We'll just start doing before we go on to the Kamya Yajya Puronavakyaha of this Taittiriya, of this Homa. And in fact, they are planning to have Agnishtoma Yajna somewhere in North India, I believe, I don't know. But anyway, even today, there are great Vaidikas who are familiar with the performance of the sacrifices. Aptoryama is one sacrifice, and Pravargya is another sacrifice which has been conducted in Ujjaini or somewhere, and so on. So now we are in the Agnishtoma, where Agni and Soma both are being important, and they are offered, and they are completely representative of the all gods, and Agni, of course, taken as that he is the Agni-mukha vai devaha. Now let us read this particular 1 4 45 3. Please repeat. Sumitra na apa oshadhayaha santu durmitraha tasmai bhuyasuhu yo asman dveshti yam cha vayam vishmaha devir apaha esha garbhaha tam vaha supreetagum subhrutam karma deveshu naha sukruto bhrutat प्रतियुक्तो वरुणस्य पाशः प्रत्यस्तो वरुणस्य पाशः येधोऽसि येधिषीमहि समिदसि तेजोऽसि तेजोमयि धेहि अपो अन्वचारिषगुं रसेन समसृष्महि पयस्वागुम् अग्न आगमम् tamma sagum sruja varchasa. So here ends the prayer for the Apo Devatas and also Agni, where we see the wish fulfillment we expect with this kind of thing. So in this Apa Oshadayaha Sumitraha Bhavantu. Let the water and the herbs and plants be friendly to us. Be Sumitraha. And again, let these Oshadis and water be unfriendly to our haters, Durmitraha, and to those people who hate us and whom we hate. And these are the two kinds of enemies that we can acquire. So this is only two kinds, because you may hate somebody and turn inimical, and they are detrimental too, so they should not come and harm you. On the other hand, there are, even though you are good, but still people give you trouble. They are called haters of our own goodness. And so it's very hard. For example, in Mahabharata, we have got Dharmaraja is called as the Ajata Shatru. No Shatru is born to him, but there are Shatrus to him who do not like, and they made a war with her. So don't know that anyway, even them also to be quelled down, and that way we have got the Krishna Bhagavan with the Pandavas, and saw that those who hated Pandavas and given trouble to them, they are also done with the Krishna Sahaya. Anyway, this is how it will be all good. And moreover, another prayer for the Apo Devatas, as you see here, is Devi Apaha Esha Garbhaha Tam Vaha Prasu Supreetagum Subhrutam Karma Deveshu Naha Sukruto Brutatu. So, referring to the Agni, Amma Apo Devata, the Agni is your Garbha, is your child, and you let him be very much pleased to us. Vaha Supritaha and Subhrutam Karma, that is the Yajna sacrifice which we have done appropriately, and all that information to be conveyed to the gods. So in turn, the gods will become also blessed. At the same time, they will bless us. Sukruto Brutat. Now, Varunasya Pasaha Pratyastam Varunasya Pasaha. So let there be the Varuna Pasha, or the trouble that might be given by Varuna Deva, that also is to be rejected or to be stopped at. And therefore, here Varuna and Apaha and Agni, they are the important persons whose anugraha we want. So we are so happy today because this happened to be the Parabhavanama Samvatsara Chaitramasa Suddha Padhyami, and we celebrate from now onwards the Ramajan Motsava and so many good things during the year. And we always make prayer to the Yuga Purusha, Mahavishnu, Yuga Mahavishnu, to take care of us and our things and our people and bless us all. And according to that kind of hope, the next two lines talk about the expectation and blessings that we need from the gods there. So that's what I am reading. But Sivalinga, can you tell me? Edhosi, can you read that? Are you there? I don't know. Edhosi, Edhishimahi, Samidasi. Idu 1, 4, 45, 3, last two lines. ಹೇಳಿ ಏಧೋಸಿ ಏಧಿಷಿ
ಏದೋಸಿ
ಏಧಿಷೀಮಹಿ
ಏದಿಶೀಮಹಿ ಏದಿಶೀಮಹಿ
ಸಮಿದಸಿ
ಸಮಿಧಸಿ ಸಮಿಧಸಿ
ತೇಜೋಸಿ
ತೇಜೋಸಿ ತೇಜೋಸಿ
ತೇಜೋಮಯಿ ದೇಹಿ
ತೇಜೋಮಹಿ ದೇಹಿ ತೇಜೋಮಹಿ ದೇಹಿ
ಅಪೋ ಅನ್ವಚಾರಿಷಗುಂ ರಸೇನ
ಅಪೋ ಅನ್ವಚಾರಿಷುಗಂ ರಸೇನ ಅಪೋ ಅನ್ವಚಾರಿಷಗುಂ ರಸೇನ
ಸಮಸೃಕ್ಷ್ಮಹಿ
ಸಮಸೃಕ್ಷ್ಮಯಿ ಸಮಸೃಕ್ಷ್ಮಯಿ
ಅಪಯಸ್ವಾಗುಂ
ಅಪಯಸ್ವಾಗುಂ ಅಪಯಸ್ವಾಗುಂ
ಅಗ್ನ ಆಗಮಂ
ಅಗ್ನ ಆಗಮಂ ಅಗ್ನ ಆಗಮಂ
ತಮ್ಮಾಸಗುಂ ಸೃಜ ವರ್ಚಸ
ತಮ್ಮಾಸಗುಂ ಸೃಜ ವರ್ಚಸ ತಮ್ಮಾಸಗುಂ ಸೃಜ ವರ್ಚಸ.
So now you are complimenting Agni Bhagavan to be Edhaha. That is, he is always prosperous and developing and powerful. And therefore, because of this grace, we also should have a share of the growth and development and happiness. So Edhishi Mahi. And again, Samidasi, Agni himself is the Samit, the sacrificial fuel. ಸೌದೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಅವರು ಆ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ವುಡ್, ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟ್ರೀ. ಅಗ್ನಿ ಡಾರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ he is there in all kastas. Therefore, when you give rise for the kasta, ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಧನ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದರಿಂದ he will, when once you light him up, kindle him there, he will start burning and all that. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಗ್ನಿಗೆ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಡ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಗಿಡಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಚ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಅಗ್ನಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ he has been given the sweeping compliment, namely he is supposed to samidasi. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, he is also ತೇಜಃ. ತೇಜ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಕಾಂತಿ, ಸ್ಪೀಡು, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪರಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥಗಳು ತೇಜಃ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದದಿಂದ ಇದೆ. ತೇಜಃ, ತೇಜಸ್ಸಿ, ತೇಜಾಂಸಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ತೇಜಸ್ಸು, ಅಗ್ನಿಯ ತೇಜಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೌ ರಸೇನ ಅಪಹ ಅನ್ವಾಚಾರಿಷ್ಗಂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮಸೃಕ್ಷ್ಮಹಿ ಪಯಸ್ವಾಗುಂ. ಓ ಅಗ್ನಿದೇವ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡು. And moreover, when once we are offering all these offerings, you please be kind enough to join us with Varchas. So Bhraja, Tejas, and Rasa, and all these things have got to get joined with us, so that we will have the Varchasvas, we are having the Bhraja, we are having the Payasatvam, and all these benefits be there when we are all living here on the earth. So with this 1445, we are completing one section of the Soma Yaga. Now we are going to another different topic, and these mantras which are just recited as the part of Kamya Anuvakaha, and then Yajya Anuvakaha, ಪುರ ಅನುವಾಕಾಹ ಅಂತ ಈ ಮೂರು ವಿಧವಾಗಿರುವ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರಿಸೈಟ್ ನಾವು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾನ್ಯಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಮಂತ್ರಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ವೈಡ್ and they creep into so many rituals accordingly, so that the appropriateness of the action, because rituals contain action and appeasement. ಸೊ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಪಡಿಸೋದೇ ಒಂದಿದೆ ರಿಚುವಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹೇಳಿ ಬಾಬು. ಯಸ್ತ್ವಾ ಹೃದಾ ಕಾರಿಣ ಮನ್ಯಮಾನೋ
ಯಸ್ತ್ವಾ ವೃದಾ ಕೀರಿಣಾ ಮನ್ಯಮಾನೋ ಯಸ್ತ್ವಾ ವೃದಾ ಕೀರಿಣಾ ಮನ್ಯಮಾನೋ
ಅಮರ್ತ್ಯಮರ್ತ್ಯೋ ಜೋಹವೀಮಿ
ಅಮತ್ಯಂ ಮತ್ಯೋ ಜುಹವೀಮಿ ಜೋಹವೀಮಿ ಅಮತ್ಯಂ ಮತ್ಯೋ ಜೋಹವೀಮಿ
ಜಾತವೇದೋ ಯಶೋ ಅಸ್ಮಾಸು
ಜಾತವೇದೋ ಯಶೋ ಅಸ್ಮಾಸು ಜಾತವೇದೋ ಯಶೋ ಅಸ್ಮಾಸು
ದೇಹಿ ಪ್ರಜಾಭಿರಗ್ನೇ
ದೇಹಿ ಪ್ರಜಾಭಿರಗ್ನೇ ದೇಹಿ ಪ್ರಜಾಭಿರಗ್ನೇ
ಅಮೃತತ್ವಮಸ್ಯಾಂ
ಅಮೃತತ್ವಮಶ್ಯಾಂ ಅಮೃತತ್ವಮಶ್ಯಾಂ
ಯಸ್ಮೈ ತ್ವಗುಂ ಸುಕೃತೆ ಜಾತವೇದ
ಯಸ್ಮೈ ತ್ವಗಂ ಸುಕೃತೆ ಜಾತವೇದ ಯಸ್ಮೈ ತ್ವಗಂ ಸುಕೃತೆ ಜಾತವೇದ
ಲೋಕಮಗ್ನೇ ಕೃಣ್ವಃ ಲೋಕಮಗ್ನೇ ಕೃಣವಃ ಸ್ಥಾನಂ ಸ್ಯೂನಂ
ಲೋಕಮಗ್ನೇ ಕೃಣವಃ ಶ್ಯೋನಂ ಲೋಕಮಗ್ನೇ ಕೃಣವಃ ಶ್ಯೋನಂ
ಅಶ್ವಿನಗುಂ ಸಪುತ್ರಿಣಂ
ಅಶ್ವಿನಗುಂ ಸಪುತ್ರಿಣಂ ಅಶ್ವಿನಗುಂ ಸಪುತ್ರಿಣಂ
ವೀರವಂತಂ ಗೋಮಂತಗುಂ ರಯಿಂ
ವೀರವಂತಂ ಗೋಮಂತಗುಂ ರಹಿಂ ವೀರವಂತಂ ಗೋಮಂತಗುಂ ರಹಿಂ
ತ್ವಂ ತ್ವೇ ಸಪುತ್ರ
ನಶತೆ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ ನಶತೆ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ
ಸುಪುತ್ರ ಶವಸೋ ಶವಸೋ
ಸುಪುತ್ರ ಶವಸೋ ಸುಪುತ್ರ ಶವಸೋ
ಅವೃತ್ರನ್
ಔರುತ್ರನ್ ಔರುತ್ರನ್
ಕಾಮಕಾತಯಃ
ಕಾಮಕಾತಯಃ ಕಾಮಕಾತಯಃ
ನ ತ್ವಮಿಂದ್ರೋ ನ ತ್ವಂ ಇಂದ್ರ ಅತಿರಿಚ್ಯತೆ
ನ ತ್ವಾಮಿಂದ್ರಾತ್ ಅತಿರಿಚ್ಯತೆ ನ ತ್ವಾಮಿಂದ್ರಾತಿರಿಚ್ಯತೆ
ಉಕ್ತ್ಯಾಖ್ಥೇ ಸೋಮಾ ಉಕ್ತೌಕ್ತ್ಯೆ
ಉಕ್ತ ಉಕ್ತೇ ಸೋಮ ಉಕ್ತ ಉಕ್ತೇ ಸೋಮ
ಇಂದ್ರಂ ಮಮಾದ
ಇಂದ್ರಂ ಮಮಾಧ ಇಂದ್ರಂ ಮಮಾಧ
ಮಮಾದ ನೀಥನೀಯೇ ಮಘವಾನಂ
नीते नीते मघवानम् नीते नीते मघवानम्.
So now here onwards we have got Kama word. Kamya means that which is Kamya, and also Anuraga. So bari recitation is being marked here. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮರ್ತ್ಯಂ ಅಮರ್ತ್ಯಂ ಮರ್ತ್ಯೋ ಜೋಹವೀಮಿ. ದಿ desire is that Martyam, mortal, Amartyam, divine or God. So, Johavimi and Tva Yaha Tva Hruda Karinam Anyamanaha. So, whoever is just with all desire and faith making worship to you, please make that man or Martya mortal to turn into immortal. And again, another prayer is Jata Vedo Yasho Asmasu Dehi. O Agni, you are the Jata Vedas. You know everything of everybody, whoever are born in this land. Therefore, O Jata Veda Agni, what is the prayer? Jata Vedo ಅಗ್ನಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವರು ಯಶೋ ಅಸ್ಮಾ ಸುಧೇಹಿ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೇಮ್. ಯಶಃ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಜಾಭಿರಗ್ನೇ ಅಮೃತತ್ವಮಸ್ಯಾಂ. ಸಿ ಅಗ್ನೇ, ಓ ಅಗ್ನಿದೇವ, ಪ್ರಜಾಭಿಹಿ, along with my children or Parvarivara, may I obtain the immortality, Amrutatvam. So it is not only egoistic prayer that the sacrificer is doing, it is a prayer where he involves all those participants of the yajna too. I think so. So Amrutatvam iya, Amrutatvam asyam. So let be, because of the grace of you, Agni, may we all attain Amrutatvam. So the next line reads, ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ಓದ್ಬಿಡು ನೋಡ. ಯಸ್ಮೈ ತ್ವಗುಂ ಸುಕೃತಂ ಸುಕೃತೆ.
यस्मै त्वगं सुकृते जातवेद कुलोकमग्ने कृणवस्योनम् अश्विनगुं सपुत्रिणं वीरवन्तं गोमन्तगुं रहिं नशते स्वस्ति त्वे सुपुत्र शवसो अवृतन् कामकातयः न त्वामिन्द्राति रिच्यते उक्त उक्ते सोम इन्द्रं ममाध नीते 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 मघवानम्.
So now let us look this second line, that Tvagum Sukrute Jataveda. O Jataveda, you are Sukrute, Agne, and Syonam Krunavaha, Yasmai Tvagum. So Syonam Krunavaha, we are going to make you comfortable, and by offering all the oblations and attending upon you and in the worship spray. ಅಂದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಶ್ವಿನಃ ಅಶ್ವಿನಗುಂ ಸಪುತ್ರಿಣಂ ವೀರವಂತಂ ಗೋಮಂತಗುಂ ರಯಿಂ ನಶತೆ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ ಅಶ್ವಿನಗುಂ. ಸೊ ಅಶ್ವಿನ್ ದೇವತಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ will bless the progeny to be Gomanta, Rai and Swasti. So they will be Veeravantas, quite bold, encouraged, and also possession of cattle or wealth, Gomantam, and Raim also wealth. So they must be quite rich enough with this kind of thing. So that's one thing. And again, Ashwini Devatas are also involved in our prayer ultimately in this sacrifice here. And again, there is addressal to Tve Suputra Savaso Avrutran Kamakatayah Natvam Indra Atirichyate Natvam Indra Atirichyate. So Indra will not supersede you, or he will be blessing you in this regard ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಉಕ್ತ ಸಾಮ ಇಂದ್ರಂ ಮಮಾದ ಉಕ್ತೇ ಉಕ್ತಂ ಸಾ ಸೋಮ ಇಂದ್ರ ಮಮಾದ. ಉಕ್ತ is the ಋಗ್ವೇದಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಅದು ಸೋಮದೇವನನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಇಂದ್ರಯನ್ನು ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಇಂದ್ರ and Soma to become absolutely happy. And Neetham, Neethe, Maghavanam. So Maghavan is Indra, is one who is able to be an able leader to all those who wants to be led by him. So that's the benefit of Indra, benefit of Agni, and all that has been adding here to increase the number of mythological details. I hope we can complete this today and we can go to different section, or I don't know. So we just plan for that. Now we are reading the 1:4:46 second Anuvakam. Now please repeat. Sutasah Maghavanam Sutasah
सुतासः मघवानं सुतासः
Yadigum Sabadhah
यदीगुं सभादः यदीगुं सभादः
Pitaram na Putraha
पितरं न पुत्राः पितरं न पुत्राः
Samana Daksha Avasehavante
समान दक्ष अवसे अवन्ते समान दक्ष अवसे अवन्ते
Agne Rasena Tejasa
अग्नेरसेन तेजसा अग्नेरसेन तेजसा
Jatavedo Virochase
जातवेदो विरोचसे जातवेदो विरोचसे
Rakshohami Vachatanaha
रक्षो
Amiva Chatanaha Rakshoha Amiva Chatanaha.
रक्षोः अमीवः चातनः रक्षोः अमीव चातनः
Apo Anvacharishagum Rasena Samasushmahi
आपो अन्वचारिषघं रसेन समसृक्षं सूक्ष्महि अपो अन्वचारिषघं रसेन समसृक्ष्महि
Payaswagum Agna Agamam
पयस्वाघम् अग्न आगमम् पयस्वाघम् अग्न आगमम्
Tamma Sagum Sruja Varchasa
मा सघं सृज वर्चसा तम्मा सघं सृज वर्चसा
Vasuhu Vasupatihi
वसुर्वसुपतिः वसुर्वसुपतिर्
Ekamasya Agne Vibhavasuhu
एकमग्ने एकमग्ने विभावसु एकमद्यग्ने विभावसु
Syama Te Sumatau Viti Api
श्यामते सुमतावपि श्यामते सुमतावपि
Twamagne Vasupatim
त्वामग्ने वसुपतिं त्वामग्ने वसुपतिम्
वसूनाम् अभिप्रबन्धे
वसूनामभिप्रमुन्धे वसूनामभिप्रमुन्प्रमन्धे
अध्वरेषु राजन्
अध्वरेषु राजन् अध्वरेषु राजन्
त्वया वाजं वाजयन्तो
त्वया वाजं वाजयन्तो त्वया वाजं वाजयन्तो
जयम् अभिश्यामा
जयेम् अभिश्याम जयेम् अभिश्याम
जयम् अभिश्यामा पृत्सुतीः मर्त्यानाम्
कृत्सुतिर्मत्यानाम् कृत्सुतिर्मत्यानाम्
त्वमग्ने वाजसातमं विप्रा
त्वमग्ने वाजसातं विप्रा त्वमग्ने वाजसातमं विप्रा
वर्धन्ति सुष्टुतम्
वर्धन्ते सुष्ठुतं वर्धन्ते सुष्ठुतं
स नो रास्वसुवीर्यम्
स नो रास्व सुवीर्यम् स नो रास्व सुवीर्यम्
अयं नो अग्निः
अयं नो अग्निः अयं नो अग्निः
वरिवः कृणोतु
वरिवः कृणोतु वरिवः कृणोतु
अयं वृधः
अयं रुदः अयं रुदः
पुर एतु प्रभिन्दन्
पुर एतु प्रभिन्दन् पुर एतु प्रभिन्दन्
अयगुं शत्रून् जयतु
अयघुं शत्रून् जयतु अयघुं शत्रून् जयतु
जर्हषा जर्ष जर् जर्हिषाणो न जर्हृषाणोऽयम्
जर्वृषाणो हयम् जर्वृषाणो अयम्
वाजं जयतु वाजसातौ
वाजं जयतु वाजसातौ वाजं जयतु वाजसातौ
अग्निना अग्निः समिध्यते
अग्निना अग्निः समिध्यते अग्निना अग्निः समिध्यते
कविः गृहपतिः युवा
कविर्गृहपतिर्युवाः कविर्गृहपतिर्युवाः
अव्यवाड् जुह्वास्यः त्वगुम् अग्ने
अव्यवाजुह्वास्य त्वमग्न यज्ञे
त्वगुं हि अग्ने
त्वघुं हि अग्ने त्वघुं हि अग्ने
The last mantra 4414464 that will complete this particular section. The Prathama Kanda Chaturtha Prapataka. We are now reading it. Om Agnina Vipro Viprena Santu
अग्निना विप्रो विप्रेण सन्तु अग्निना विप्रो विप्रेण सन्तु
Tanswata Swansata
संसता संस्तता
Sakha Sakhya Samidhyase
सखा सख्या समिध्यसे सखा सख्या समिध्यसे
Udagne Sochayastava
उदग्ने शुचयस्तव उदग्ने शुचयस्तव
Vijyotisha
विज्योतिषा विज्योतिषा
इति प्रथमकाण्डे चतुर्थप्रपाठकः।
इति प्रथमकाण्डे चतुर्थप्रपाठकः।
प्रथमकाण्डे चतुर्थप्रपाठकः।
प्रथमकाण्डे चतुर्थप्रपाठकः।
पारायण अध्ययनम्।
पारायण अध्ययनम्।
सर्वं श्री
पारायण अध्ययनम्।
सर्वं श्री
सर्वं श्री
वेदपुरुषपादारविन्दार्पणमस्तु।
वेदपुरुषपादारणविन्दार्पणमस्तु।
पादारविन्दार्पणमस्तु।
पादारविन्द अर्पणमस्तु।
ॐ तत्सतु।
ॐ तत्सत्।
So this is the conclusion of this particular section in that, and we will be starting to go with another one, and that we can do next. But today you observe a prayer to Agni Bhagavan to bless us with whatever vacha, with whatever vastu, all that. Apart from that, spiritual strength also he has to acquire. You know, for example, this one which was just a Sutasa, I'm just wanted to complete the Parayanam business because we are almost at the fag end. So that Parayanam portion part is over now in this particular section. And now let us try to understand how the section comes to a grand conclusion, and who are the ultimate deities, and what is the kind of attention that the deities have got to do to the Yajamana and his Parivara. So that in that context, if you view, ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಂದರೆ ಈ 4:46 ಅಲ್ಲಿ we see Maghavanam Sutasaha. Sutasaha means the pressing the Soma is complete and made the Somarasa cauldrons full, ready to be consumed by the gods, and whatever that remnants remain, because gods don't consume all things, so they will leave some portion of Somarasa, and that only we always enjoy. So that's how the whole show goes like. And now we shall read these things. Yes, here that Sutasa yadi gum sabodha sabadha pitaram na putraha samana daksha avase havante. Here avase avante. So all people perform yajna in order to obtain a certain number of benefits. That's why avase havante. Avasa andre benefit. Avasa andre food. So many meanings are there. So samana dakshaha. Samana dakshaha. And henge andre pitaram na putraha avase havante. So the children, the sons, will try to patronize their parents for one or the other benefit. In the same manner, we are asking Agni Bhagavan to be, we are all approaching him in order that you will be able to benefit us. Because Agni always in our Veda considered as the father. And we are all dreamed to be the children of Agni. Or so Toka and Tanaya ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾತವೇದ ಆಗಿರುವ ಅಗ್ನಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ even other mantras also, to quote you, in Mahanyasam we are getting one beautiful Ayurda Agne हविषाजुषाणो घृतप्रतीको घृतमन्ववेदि घृतं पीत्वा मधु चारु गव्यं पिता इव पुत्रम् अभिरक्षतादिमम्. The last portion is important. See, pitar abhirakshati putram. So the son, the father, in all respects, will take protection or care and see that the interests of the sons are being promoted. Therefore, here also, second example, where you observe pitaram, the other way is also found. Not only the father will take care of the child, and in turn, the child also will have to take care of the child. So that way, our Veda dictates or gives a message to all people. Aya, don't only get benefits from your parents and elders, but you, when they are really in need, and then you should take also the toll to be of some help to all of them. ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದನೇ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಪಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಯಾರಿಂದ ಪಡೆದೇವೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ವೇದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ಸೊ ವೇದ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಇವನೇನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದ ಏನು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್, ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಪವೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪವೋ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ದರ್ಶವೈ ನಮಗೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನ ರಿಕ್ತ ಹಸ್ತಃ ಆಚಾರ್ಯಂ ಅಧಿಗಚ್ಚೇತ್ ಅಂತ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್, a spiritual teacher, normally you are not expected to just go, or like to temple, or to see a patient. So you have to take something to the patient and see that there is some kind of gesture culture. That's why it is said like that. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೇನು ಅರ್ಥವಾಗತ್ತಂದರೆ that you pitaram na putraha. Na here means comparison, like putraha pitaram na. In the next line, agne rasena tejasa jatavedo virochase. And now the secret of Agni's glow is being marked or mentioned. In fact, ಯಾವುದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆಯಾ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರೆ ದೇ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು. ಸೇಮ್ ಟೆಂಪೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಗ್ನಿದೇವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಏನಂತ, ಅಗ್ನೇ ಓ ಅಗ್ನಿ ರಸೇನ ತೇಜಸ ವಿರೋಚಸೆ. ಈ ಅಗ್ನೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಗ್ನಿ? ಜಾತವೇದ. ಈ ಜಾತವೇದ ಶಬ್ದ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು ಅಗ್ನಿ. Like the Arogya Vidwan only for Surya Bhagavan. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಏನೋ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಗ್ನಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದಿ ಜಾತವೇದ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ರೋಚ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯನ್ಸು, ಕಾಂತಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತೇಜಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡು, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ರಸ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡಿಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮನಸ್ಸು, ಕರುಣ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂರಿಂದ ಆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇನ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಯಜಮಾನ, ದ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಿನ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಾಬ್. And rakshohamivo uchanatah ಅಪೋ ಅನ್ವಚಾರಿಷಗುಂ ರಸೇನ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪೋ ದೇವತೆಗಳ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ. ಈಗ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ರೈ, ಅಗ್ನಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ nothing merely heating up the vessel. But you do heat up the vessel, keeping some contents in that, So the contents get heated up and also cooked rather than the patra. Patra remains the same, but it is again Agni. That's exactly what it is being said here. I think we'll complete this particular slokam and mantram in the next session. And for the present, we stop here. And probably the Navaratri Manisha and Rama Janmabhoomi Utsava they are going to celebrate from today onwards, and evening 7 to 8 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But doesn't matter. My participation is over in that WhatsApp group and that phone group, and you can take that and all. So now, Swasti Sahana Bhavatu.
ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ तत्सतं सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु श्रीवासुदेवार्पणमस्तु श्रीवेदपुरुषाशीर्वादोऽस्तु ॐ श्रीमातृचरणारविन्दार्पणमस्तु ॐ तत्सत् हरि ओम नमस्ते गुरुजी नमस्ते
Beautiful. Thank you. And I hope you attended the program. Attend ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು?
ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಗುರುಜಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 5 to 7 7:30 ವರೆಗೂ ನಡೀತದ
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್? ತುಂಬಾ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದೀನಿ ಗುರುಜಿ ನಿಮಗೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 3 minutes.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮಂಡೇ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಗುರುಜಿ, ಈಗ ಹಬ್ಬದ ರಜಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದೌದು, ಮಂಡೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್.
ಹರಿ ಓಂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಗುರು.
ಹರಿ ಓಂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ.